This is the project of the register, and we are going to explain how it works.
We use all the topics that we saw, and that's how it works.
In this register, we learn how to use the LEDs, the potentiometer, the buttons, and the display. First of all, we wake up our LEDs, we establish the variables, and we decide which ones are the ones that need to be turned on and turned off, depending on the letter that we want to use for our Morse code. And the buttons are for changing the letter until we form the word project due to we are doing our final project. And the buttons work at the same time as the potentiometer depending on the voltage that we want. And all that let us obtain the colors that we wanted, that are the ones that are already shown on our Arduino. And now my partner will explain the program in more details.
Okay, so how we did this program was actually quite easy. We thought that it's going to be more harder, but actually we go to the conclusion that it was very easy. First of all, we include all the data that we want, such as the buttons, the sensor pot, and all the pins, and all the pin our LED of different colors. It was quite easy, and while we have to validate our setup, we start with serial beginning 960 100. We just did that this was because this is the voltage that we want for our potentiometer. We also wake up our red, blue, green letter and our button. Also our pins are 6, 7, 8, and 9, and our buttons. Then we also set the brightness of the display and what was the number that will start. Here we say that it will start at 0. Then we validate the loop. This was quite easy. First of all, we write sensor pot equal to analog read pot pin. This is the for the voltage variations. Then serial println sensor pot. That's like the white page that opens at the Arduino page. Also, we use the we use a variable named contador that we write contador equal to contador plus 1 when we want to do a this helps us to our program. Well, first for the P of the word program, for our project, I'm sorry, we start like if contador equal to 1. We write the Morse code, which is a button, a dot, a line, and a dot. This is the Morse code, and here we are using our display because it's showing the number 1 as we can solve, and we are using the pins and our Morse code. We use this process basically the same. The contador keeps increasing in each letter. The project, the R, is going to show a number 2. The O is going to show a number 3. And it's going to be increasing and increasing until the world project is done. Also, we use our potentiometer, and in any time of our sequence, we can use it and we can move our voltage, and it will start to change the color of the of the of the pin. We use the also if we want to change of letter, we have to press the button, and this uh, will help us to change the letter, and that's how our program works. For the button, what we write, just it was if digital read upper button equal to low, it's going to happen this letter, and that's basically all that we did. For the potentiometer, we use a similar program as the practice number 3, and it was if sensor pod is major than 300, the blue LED is going to turn on, and the other LED we have to turn low, because if they're turned on, they will change of the color that we want. It would be a mix of 3 colors. Also, when the voltage is between 300 and 600, and if is in this case the red LED will be lighting, and at the end, if the sensor pod says that it's more higher than 600, the green LED will turn on, and that's how our programs work.